For this assignment, I decided to use 4 pictures to explain what I learned in Chapter 2. Teachers and school nurses play an important role in ensuring that students are able to get the most out of their education and are able to promote a safe and healthy environment to ensure student success. Teachers work closely with students and observe them on a daily basis. They get to know them best and can usually detect an issue first. School nurses are health advocates for all students and staff and are able to assess health-related issues as well as make referrals for students who need to be seen by a healthcare professional outside of school. It is important for teachers and school nurses to work together to make sure students are staying healthy. This picture represents how it is important for the school to work closely with the community so that all of the health needs of students are being met. Full-service schools fit together like this puzzle. Home, school, and community come together to provide a quality education. This classroom has many of the physical qualities that facilitate optimal learning and development. The classroom size looks small, it looks like there is a good amount of light, and looks like a clean and neat environment. This classroom looks colorful and inviting. It is also accessible to all students who have different needs. A classroom like this is the best environment for students to learn and be successful in their education. This final picture is focusing on how important it is for schools to have a safe environment for students and staff. Students need to feel safe emotionally as well as physically. Whether it be on the bus or the playground, it is the job of teachers and school staff to make sure that we are prepared to deal with an emergency. Students will do their best learning when they are happy and safe.